This is the first scripted series I've developed from the beginning. So being part of this collaboration beyond acting to be able to help shape it and participate, it's certainly a challenge, but it's just been incredible. I was just immediately taken by this character, Elizabeth Zott. I relate to her in so many different ways.
In science, you endeavor to control every variable.
Sometimes you can't count on a formula. Sometimes
Things just turn out messy.
her resilience and how much life she goes through, the show gets to explore that.
Think of your own life. The only constant variable is change.
It's a very long period of time from my character in college to her being older than I am now. So it's quite a big scope and a lot of change in her life.
Let's get started, shall we?
Brie really embodied the role of Elizabeth.
This is me.
She was very quick to pick up on the actions of a chemist and very attentive to detail, which is very important in the chemistry lab.
It's so important that we're depicting this appropriately. So to have a team showing me how to do this every step of the way has been invaluable. You get to have amazing conversations about what it's like to be in a lab lost in thought as a scientist. And then you have these moments of discovery where you're like, oh my gosh, it worked. I figured it out. And that was just so satisfying to explore.
Oh man, alive.
We did it.
Working with Brie is just a dream because she really is very sincere about the character.
This was one of my most lovely experiences being on set. And it's all dictated by number one, and that's Brie Larson. She's a wonderful producer, and she really created an environment where people were empowered to be in their position and run with it. Brie, I opened you up to this camera, okay, so you're not blocked.
Yeah. It's the real pleasure of my job that you surprise yourself constantly by what you're capable of, and you just learn that you have so much more in you than what you thought was possible.